Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now have access to the bulbs in the headlights. To change the H4 bulb on the full and dipped beams, remove the cover on the radiator side. Remove the electricity connection for the light bulb by pulling on the back part, not on the wires. To take out the bulb, you have to move the lip on the holding spur outwards. Pivot the hook, then remove the bulb. Take the new bulb. When putting the new bulb back in, it is important to consider its orientation. Identify the keyed connections. Then move the metal clip back up. Reattach the connector. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the indicator light bulb, remove the upper cover located in the wheel well. Remove the protective plastic cover. To do this, turn it a quarter turn to the left and pull on it. Take the new bulb board and make a rotation anti-clockwise. To remove the bulb, press on it and make a quarter turn.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new bulb. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Put the rubber cover back on. Put the upper cover back in place. To replace the side light and fog light light bulbs, remove the lower cover located in the wheel well. To remove the side light bulb, take hold of the plastic cap and make a quarter turn to the left. To remove the bulb, all you have to do is pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base. Then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. To replace the H11 fog light light bulb, remove the power connector. Take the new bulb board and make a rotation anti-clockwise. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in. Reconnect the electric connector. Put the lower cover back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.